Good morning. Okay. What do you want? Some more egg? Let's go the more egg, okay? Yeah? Yes, we like the egg, don't we? We like the egg a lot. There you go. Not so much the banana, but definitely the egg. Push, poke, prod. Ultimately, he will actually eat it. Still eat. Don't just lick it, stuff it in your face. That's it. I think we've discovered a new favourite food. Yes, yum 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 yum.